Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the two new Coltrane titles, Love Supreme and Ballads. These are the all analog cut, pressed at QRP, tip-on jacket editions that come from the new series that UME is doing. The first two were Getzkel, Bardo, and Louis Armstrong. These are the next two, and by far and away, probably for what they announced so far, the two most popular releases. All right, so let's check them out. I actually did open one of these Love Supremes earlier and gave a listen to it. I mean, these are fantastic. They're all available on our website. $34.99 is the price of these titles. But yeah, you got a little bit of a sneak peek on what's coming up. This was last month. We are on these two. I believe the two Ninas are at the end of the month. Then throughout the end of the year and the beginning of the year, we are ending on the Bill Evans Verve series. This particular series is going to focus on Emerson, Phillips, Decca Jazz, Verve, and Impulse. But yeah, it's kind of giving you a little bit of the history of what they're looking to do on there. All of the records themselves come in, like a MoFi sleeve or QRP sleeve, just not branded. But yeah, super clean vinyl. Again, these are all pressed at QRP. I would say as a whole, I have the least amount of problems from anything ever. I have the least amount of problems from anything pressed at QRP. The vinyl typically is flawless, like this particular title. So yeah, we've got no issues there. Perfect vinyl. This is, again, the second one I've opened. I've only listened to the Love Supreme so far, and it is fantastic. I'm gonna save this one, I guess, for a store demo. So let's crack it open. Beautiful, high gloss, hard cardboard. Real nice, beautiful gatefold, just like the original. And actually, this is super cool. So you got all these audiophile labels actually doing, you know, these real solid, heavy-duty gatefold jackets. But a lot of those, virtually none of them came out originally that way. This particular title for the Impulse releases, this is exactly how those originals came out. So it is super nice in the fact that you're getting not only a real high-quality audiophile pressing. So yeah, this is Love Supreme. And let's check out Ballads. Now, after I open this up, we are going to give this a listen. The Love Supreme was fantastic. When I played the Love Supreme for the first time, it was actually kind of interesting. A lot of dynamic range on that record. So I put it on in the store. We're listening to it. You know, it started off nice and mellow. There's like 3 or 4 customers in the store. And once Coltrane kind of introduces himself musically into, I mean, everybody's head in the store, they just like turn around because it got real loud in here real fast. A very dynamic record. So Ballads. Fantastic record. McCoy Tyner, Elvin Jones. Impulse really did. Yeah, that 60s, early 70s era Impulse stuff was absolutely fantastic. At the time, probably one of, if not the best, jazz labels at the time. I mean, they were just fantastic stuff. And then by the 70s, you know, they got more into the avant-garde side of things with your Archie Shepp and your Pharoah Sanders, and even Coltrane. But yeah, let's take a look at the record itself. So same thing, we've got the sheet, same as before. Nice paper poly-lined inner, the absolute best sleeve for your records. But look, there we've got a absolute perfectly flat. There's no fill. Mastered at Sterling. Yeah, perfect record. And actually, this is going to go on next. All right, guys, I'm Mike with The In-Groove. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, all these can be purchased online at our website at www.theingroove.com.